Hey there, are you finding it a bit tricky to sign out of the Mail app on your iPhone? Don't worry, you've come to the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through some straightforward steps to help you sign out or remove your email account. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Sign out of your email account. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down through the menu options. After that, tap on Mail. Now locate the Accounts option and tap on it. Next, select the email account you want to sign out of. Then tap Delete Account. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping Delete from My iPhone. Solution 2. Remove account from the Mail app. First, open the Mail app, then tap Mailboxes located at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on Edit. Now tap the red minus icon next to the account you wish to remove. Next, tap Delete to confirm your action. With these simple steps, you can easily sign out of or remove an email account from the Mail app on your iPhone. If you have any questions or run into any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for extra help. Happy emailing!